Here is the simple mind map for what is a Git repository and how do you initialize one. Git repository overviewed, whimsical.com, slash thumbnails, esenjgmpbhcu3. Explaining the mind map. Git repository overview. A Git repository is a fundamental concept in Git used to track and manage changes in a project. The mind map breaks down its key aspects, from its definition and types to how you initialize one. What is a Git repository? A Git repository is a database that stores all the information required for version control. It keeps the current state of the files in your project, a history of changes, commits, metadata like branches, tags, and merge information. Repositories can be local, stored on your computer, tracking changes locally for offline work. Remote, hosted on platforms like GitHub or GitLab, allowing multiple developers to collaborate on the same codebase. Git repositories are invaluable because they 1. Track changes over time, making it easy to revert to earlier versions. 2. Facilitate collaboration by merging changes from different contributors. 3. Provide a detailed history of who made what changes and when. How to initialize a Git repository. There are 2 primary ways to set up a Git repository. 1. Creating a new repository. Navigate to your project directory using the terminal. Run the command git init. This creates an empty .git folder in the directory containing all the necessary configuration files for tracking changes. 2. Cloning an existing repository. If a repository already exists remotely, e.g. on GitHub, you can clone it to your local machine with git clone repository URL. This copies the repository along with its branches and history, making it ready for further development. 3. Adding files to a repository. Stage your files using git add dot, which prepares them for a commit. Commit the changes with git commit-m initial commit, saving them to the repository's history. Summary. A Git repository is essential for version control and collaboration. It allows you to track and manage changes locally with git init or connect to existing projects via git clone. With Git, you can efficiently maintain a project's history, manage multiple contributors, and ensure code integrity. This makes it an indispensable tool for modern development teams.